If I tell you that something somewhere in the universe right now, dinosaurs are still alive. This is the argument, and we would like to talk about this argument. That is it plausible to think like that? Is it plausible to think in that framework? I'm not talking in terms of the fossils, not as some kind of imagination, but as a real, moving, breathing creatures, visible, visible to someone, visible to somebody, somewhere in the universe, in the observable universe, in this cosmos. This is the argument that we'll be talking about, we'll be speaking about. We will try to understand this argument, to what extent this argument can be taken. This is not science fiction. This is simple physics. This is simple laws of physics that we can take into account and try to understand the argument. And today, on this channel, we will be talking about this argument, that is it possible, at least in the framework of science, in the framework of physics, that the dinosaurs that ever lived on this planet at this moment of time could be seen as presently living on this planet. And this is what the argument is. And this argument can be supported with the basic, with the very basic argument of the physics, with the basic laws of physics. So the point here is that if I say you, let's begin with a simple, but at the same time, a mind-boggling truth, a mind-shaking truth, a truth that we can visualize, at least in the framework of science. What I'm trying to tell here is that every moment of your life right now, at this moment, is being basically carried away by the light. This is the simple argument. The sunlight, if I take an example of sunlight, the sunlight reflecting from your face, from the trees, from the animals,